Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Hyundai Tucson key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. It's important to have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task is quick and easy, ensuring your key fob works perfectly again in just a few minutes. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side, marked with a plus sign facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should snap into place. Finally, reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Before you go, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.